Unlock the power of AI by automating your workflows with GPT and Zapier. Imagine your GPT chatbot not just giving you answers, but doing things with them today. We're diving into how to integrate GPT responses with Zapier to create incredibly powerful automated actions. This means if GPT generates specific text, it can automatically trigger tasks in your other favorite apps. Let's get started by opening Zapier and clicking Create Zap. This is where we'll set up our automation. Our trigger will be GPT. We'll select GPT as the app, and then choose the specific action that should start our automation. For example, you might want to trigger an action when GPT generates a new chat completion or a new message from an assistant. Next, you'll need to connect your GPT account to Zapier. This usually involves providing your API key or logging in, ensuring Zapier can access your GPT data securely. Now, the crucial part: defining when this automation should fire. You'll set up specific conditions. For instance, you can tell Zapier to only proceed if the GPT response includes a certain keyword, like invoice or urgent, or if it's a specific type of formatted output. Once GPT provides the trigger, Zapier will move on to the action. This is what happens next. You'll choose an app. This could be your email, a spreadsheet, a project management tool, or anything else Zapier supports. Then, you'll select the specific action. Here's where the magic happens: mapping. You'll take the information GPT generated, like a summary, a created draft, or a classified piece of text, and tell Zapier exactly where to put it in your chosen app. For example, you can map a GPT-generated summary directly into a new row of your Google Sheet. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working as expected. Once you're satisfied, simply turn it on and watch your GPT-powered workflows come to life. By connecting GPT with Zapier, you're not just using AI, you're making it work smarter for you, automating tasks and boosting your productivity to new heights.